My name is Louis Yin. I am the CEO and the president of Eco. Our commitment to this industry is making your home green and smart. Eco has been set up since 2016, and our core offering to this industry is providing the most cutting-edge IoT technology and helping the industry reshape and upgrade to the next era.
Hello, my name is Joshua McCaffrey. I'm eCore's Technical Support Manager. We're here at the AHR show, and I want to take a few minutes to go over some of the equipment that we're displaying here today. So first, I'd like to go over our TDI Pro 2. This is our 454B fully inverter split system. This has our industry-only fully automatic refrigerant charging smart system. So you hook your tank up to it, and it commissions itself. It also comes with a flare fit, but we're giving you the adapters to where you can use press or braze still. And it's incorporated with our IoT technology, and that gives you two-way communication. We also have our AHU. This is our air handler. It's a fully multi-poise. It can be installed in any direction. It has a flare fitting as well, and we give you the adapters to do press or braze. This also is 240 or 110, so you have a switch that you can flip for whichever power you have incoming. So it is a direct replacement for a gas furnace if you are going full electrification. This also has the integration of our IoT technology. And with our IoT technology, it's 10 years parts, 10 years labor, 10 years monitor. And then we have our gas furnace that's coming out. This is our fully modular inverter gas furnace. It's 97% efficient, but what that gives us is the ability that 100,000 BTU furnace can go down to about 40,000 BTU. So this gives you less SKUs, easy installation, and can adapt to the environment that it's in. And this all compared with our new zone control system that ties with our whole EcoLink system. Thank you for visiting us. If you want to learn more information about the eCore product and what we have to offer, please visit our website, ecore.com, and learn more about what we have to offer for you.